Basic needs, simple past and past continuous. Vocabulary, the basic needs: education, water, food, housing, health, and apparel. Past continuous. The past continuous describes the action or event located in a time prior of the present whose beginning is located in the past and which was not yet concluded at the time of speaking. In other words, it expressed an incomplete or finished action of the past. Simple past. The simple past I use it to talk about an action that concluded in a time before the current one. The duration is not relevant. The time which the action is set can be recent past or a distant past. Used to. We used the modal verbs used to indicate something that happened or happened in the past on regular basis alone. Alone is time used for something that was once true but is not longer. As with the other modal verbs, used to is followed by the base form of the verb. Also, it is used for something that was once true but is not longer. As with the other modal verb, used to is followed by the base form of the verb.